I'm Dr. David Josephitis, and I'm one of the surgeons at Shapiro Medical Group. I've been doing hair transplant procedures for over the past 10 years now, and I just wanted to take the time here to introduce myself and tell you a little bit more about me. I actually got my start in hair transplant surgery fairly early, actually probably a lot earlier than a lot of surgeons out there these days. During medical school, I was introduced to the field from a friend of mine, and actually found a local surgeon near my medical school where I was able to observe some of the surgeries and just absolutely fell in love with the procedures. They just kind of blew my mind away. But it was during medical school, and I really wasn't quite sure how I was going to able to kind of train for that, and so I kind of put it in the back of my mind and continued medical school. I also completed internal medicine residency after that, and towards the end of the specialty, I decided, I enjoy taking care of patients. It's great to be able to help them through their issues, but I just felt there was something more I could do, and I looked again into hair transplant surgery. I was blessed to be able to find and be accepted into one of the very, very few hair transplant fellowships available in the world, and I spent a year training under some of the very best surgeons, learning the state-of-the-art techniques for hair transplant surgery. 5 years after working in hair transplant surgery on my own, I joined Shapiro Medical Group and came to work with Dr. Ron and Paul Shapiro, and that was a fantastic experience. I had known Dr. Ron Shapiro for a number of years prior, and was just blown away by the amazing work he's done, the lectures he's given, and some of the textbooks he's written. So I knew that I was joining a great group. I was also excited to join a state-of-the-art clinic, world-renowned for patient care. The staff was amazing. There was a great number of them that had worked for many number of years. Actually, the majority of them have worked there for 10 years or more. So I knew I was working with the best of the best, and I was excited to get started with them and to join. But I think Shapiro Medical Group is more than just a regular clinic. And having worked there now for a great number of years, I found that there's a few things that really set us apart from everybody else. And the first thing that really sets us apart is that we always try to stay on top. I believe that we're one of the state-of-the-art facilities in the country. I know that because Dr. Ron and Paul Shapiro and I, we travel the country frequently attending hair transplant conferences. We give lectures and learn from the best in the world. And without fail, every year we decide to take back the best tips and techniques that we've learned over those conferences and bring them back to our own clinic. And the results have shown we've been improving over the years. The second thing that I think is really important with Shapiro Medical Group is that we want to always place the patient first. A lot of times you'll find physicians wanting to create their own hairline for a patient, to put hair here or there without ever really listening to the patient. I find that at Shapiro Medical we really want to put the patient first. We want to listen to them. We want to make them happy. We want to give them really what they want to have. And that's the important thing. Number three, as I mentioned, the staff have been around for a long time, and there's a good reason for that. They enjoy doing what they do. They're really a pleasure to work with, and the staff and the patients that come in, they really feel it. They feel like family, and they enjoy the experience. And as physicians, it's been a pleasure working with them. And finally, as a physician, we're never really done learning. Throughout our career, we attend conferences, we continue to read and learn, and we're always growing. And at Shapiro Medical, I found myself being continually challenged. Being one of the best clinics in the world, we are sent patients, referrals from all over, other physicians around the world, sometimes very challenging cases. And it really excites me. I enjoy working with these patients. I enjoy problem solving and really figuring things out and helping them to get to where they want to be with their hair loss. And for me, that's really been one of the joys of working at Shapiro Medical Group. Thank you.